Hello everyone, a very empowering and happy International Women's Day to all our Cambodian and Indian friends from the Embassy of India, Phnom Penh. Today we acknowledge the immense contribution that women make to world economics, whether it is in business such as entrepreneurs or employers or in other areas. Keeping in view the fact that investing in women's economic empowerment sets a direct path towards gender equality and inclusive economic growth, the Embassy of India has always given priority to the strategic plan for gender equality and women's empowerment of the Royal Government of Cambodia. Embassy of India in Phnom Penh, in collaboration with the Ministry of Women's Affairs, has been working consistently in raising the profile and social status of Cambodian women. We have undertaken a project in 2015 and 16 and another one in 16 and 17 for women's economic empowerment through information technology and communication technology in Kampong Spo, Preah Sihanouk and Stang Traing, as well as Krath Chai province. These projects have contributed to economic growth and sustainable improvement of livelihoods. In addition to these QIPs, we have also trained many women Cambodian officials under the Government of India's Indian Technical Economic and Cooperation Program to improve their governance and leadership skills. Promoting gender equality in education has been one of our priorities as well, and keeping the fact that lack of sufficient sanitation facilities in schools is one of the reasons why girls drop out from schools, especially during their pre-pubertal time. We have made in coordination with the Ministry of Women's Affairs, toilets and sanitation facilities available for around 3 primary and secondary schools in Phnom Penh and Kandal province. And this year we have also signed 2 new projects with Women's Affairs Ministry for making school buildings in 2 provinces in Cambodia. So I assure you that we will continue to work towards women empowerment in Cambodia, and if you have any ideas on working with us, we will be very happy to welcome your ideas. Once again, recreate Tavie Sat Nieri Ontarak Chiet Somarkon.